Jason Burgess, chief starter, green in hand, looking at the field. Green flag in the air, we're racing. McDougal to the point. Number plates already come flying off. We've got debris on the racetrack.
KT with a big run.
Look at McKinney with the slider. KT, oh, Sunshine!
Oh.
Sunshine just got turned. Sunshine just got turned.
Fresh front clip needed on the 78. Creech will go to the lead.
How about 3 wide on the exit here, though? These guys are on it. McDougal through the center. Clinton Boyles on a super short slide.
Creech battles back on the top.
Boyles now back to the point. Here comes KTJ in the 9K to the lead. 3 wide on the exit. Kimmy Creech back to the lead. Now McKinney scores them up on the bottom. McKinney,
this is incredible.
Ladies and gentlemen, what you are witnessing is history. The first official indoor slick track A-main, and that's not going to work over there. McDougal to lead, KT to the lead. KT off the wall. McDougal
I'm
in
speechless,
the middle.
Chris.
Halfway through segment 1 here.
I feel like the only thing I can say is, oh, and ah!
That's all we've got.
It really speaks for itself at this point.
How about
Boyles
Sunshine back up in the hunt, though?
3 wide.
Sunshine, Supercross. He's going to be 3rd here. 5 laps ago, he had the leader on his back bumper to put him a lap down.
Don't forget, coming
4
to the end of the
wide
stage.
doesn't work. 4 wide.
McKinney from 6th to almost the lead off of 2.
Kevin Swindell, this looks like fun, I'm not going to lie. McDougal back to the back now. Clinton Boyles now to lead. Sunshine to the bottom. From almost being a lap down to the lead. And that's going to finish segment number 1.
And we'll take the stage 1.
So not really sure what they've got going on here on track. Oh, I think Tyler Courtney did get lapped and he just got unlapped. I think Tyler Courtney just got unlapped. First segment done, 15 laps coming at you.
McDougal to the fence.
So that's Creech. Boyles trying to slide back underneath him.
Ooh, left him no room there. Sunshine from the back, all the way to 3rd already. Looks to the inside of Boyles.
Tyler Courtney now to the lead. McDougal.
He can put that car anywhere.
McDougal with a ripper Magoo on the top side. Timmy Creech looks a bit tight here when he rides the stick to bottom and 1 and 2.
He does lose his right front quite
Hold
a bit.
on, McKinney's going to spin. He's going to keep going. Good thing we didn't put in that spin rule, Kevin. McKinney would have been out before the halfway point. Kevin Thomas Jr. to the point, but Creech with a run up the bottom. Clinton Boyles going to come through. Sunshine looking at him.
It's almost impossible to lead.
3 wide coming off turn number 2.
The leader just a sitting duck.
KT to 4th, the 1st and a half of straightaway.
Oh, Boyles gets almost turned. McKinney back to the field after his spin. Creech with a big run back by everybody.
Dude, Creech has just been on rails all night long.
I think the middle's starting to grip up a little bit as we fade away from the top more and more.
McDougal just tearing down the wall.
Still uninterested in the grip.
Creech about to get looped by Boyles. He holds on to it. Hold on.
Oh, boy.
1 to go here in the stage. Clinton Boyles looking to get the point. Kevin Thomas Jr. Ripper Magoo. No, Clinton Boyles gets it. Green flag for the final 20. Boyles and Creech. They head off to the far side. Boyles, Kevin Thomas Jr. now to the bottom. KTJ, here comes Tyler Courtney now. McDougal in line on the bottom.
McDougal not playing around anymore.
McDougal into Sunshine. Boyles into McDougal. McKinney into Boyles. Creech 3 wide on the bottom. Unbelievable.
KT looking to run off and hide.
Kevin Thomas Jr. looking to just take off here.
Boyles from the pole of the restart to last.
Looking for a reason for a red, though, which doesn't spell out anything good for Mike McKinney, who's right in front of him.
Can Sunshine get back to his bumper?
McKinney on top.
These two tied for USAC National Sprint Car points, and they look to do battle again.
Oh,
KT
boy.
hits the inside wall.
Kevin Thomas Jr. almost pulled the Britton Marble on us.
Sunshine is there. How long will he wait?
KT's got to keep it closed down there.
You don't want to be leading, but you also don't want to be second. Halfway.
Halfway in the segment, Tyler Courtney to the bottom.
Reach goes by McDougal for third.
Here comes McDougal. Oh, we got a red. Mike McKinney, Clinton Boyles in the backup. Off of 4, green flag in the air, we're back to racing.
KT will take his pride into the outside guardrail.
That puts Creech up. Oh boy, hold on to your shirt.
McKinney will retain inside.
McKinney, let's start calling him the snowplow, the modified driver. Look at McDougal! Look at McDougal! 6th to 3rd and 1 corner.
KT's body language said this
tear-off's flying through the air.
tear-off. McKinney threw the tear-off. It did not help. I believe he lost downforce.
How about out front, 1-on-1? Tyler Courtney, Timmy Creech.
It's going to come down to this. Boyles will not be a factor unless there's an issue between the front two.
Tyler
Two
Courtney,
sticks in
Timmy
the air.
Creech.
Two this time.
Creech to the bottom of Sunshine. This isn't over, folks. White flag. Here comes Tyler Courtney now.
Hold it. Don't let it back down.
Tyler Courtney's gonna win
Sunshine
it.
wins.
Tyler Courtney wins it. Burning down the house, Tyler Courtney with the win. Tyler Courtney with the win. He's gonna try and do some donuts maybe. Maybe not. There's your partial donut. There we go.
America's Got Talent. The auditions.
Yeah!
Sunshine, Tyler Courtney, the winner of the first ever Tuesday Night Thunder A main. Sunshine, you almost went a lap down stage 1, came back for, I think, the win of stage 1. That got a little confusing there. And then to win the whole thing, how's it feel?
Yeah, I told you I had one plan, and that was to win, so that's what I did. No, it's cool. This is an awesome event. Hopefully keeps growing bigger and bigger. Hopefully the warmer gets out, more people keep coming, and I think we had a great turnout tonight. So they're doing something different to try and get the fans involved with racers like myself and Kevin Thomas and all the other guys that are here tonight. And it's you got to start somewhere, and I think we're going in the right direction. We came here about a week ago to try and make the track better, and I think we have a racy product now, especially when you get all the guys in the feature like that want to race and put on a good show. It makes a lot of fun. So thanks everybody for coming out tonight and tuning in on Facebook Live, and hopefully I'll keep seeing more people as we keep coming up on the nights here.
Tyler Courtney, the winner of the first ever Tuesday Night Thunder A main.